让我们一起来恭祝我们尊贵的法王生日快乐
Happy birthday to you, Your Holiness. Here comes the birthday cake.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。Happy birthday to you, Happy birthday to you, Happy birthday to you.Happy birthday to you. 종가라 다시 되래. 종가라 다시 되래. 종가라 다시 되래. 종가라 다시 되래. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
That's her happy birthday in 4 different languages, Your Holiness. Happy birthday. We hope that next time we can really bring you physically to Taiwan. Let's make that wish.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I would like to express my deep appreciation, the organizer. You see, you really organize this sort of function. Very impressive. And that cake, if I physically can touch there, then I would like to take. But now, because of the distance, I only enjoy the color or the shape and the sound. I cannot touch, you see, by tongue. So please, you share these sort of sweet cakes and the other things.
Okay,
Please.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Please pray for me. I also pray for you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, we'll share your birthday cake on your behalf. Okay, thank you, Your Holiness.
谢谢，谢谢，谢谢，谢谢，谢谢，谢谢。
我们一起来恭送法王。Thank you, Your Holiness. You can now have a little rest in the VIP room while continue to watch the program we have prepared for you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.